World Premiere, 2025 New Audi Q6 e-tron Overview. Audi is introducing the 2025 Q6 e-tron, a luxurious electric SUV between the Q4 e-tron and Q8 e-tron. Initially offered with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive powertrain, a single-motor version will be added later. The dual-motor version has 456 horsepower and an estimated driving range of over 300 miles per charge. The interior is high-tech and stylish, featuring a curved display screen and sustainable materials. The Q6 e-tron Sportback offers a fastback body style, while a performance-oriented Q6 e-tron is also available. It will rival other EV SUVs, like the Cadillac Lyriq, Genesis Electrified GV70, and Lexus RZ. What's new for 2025? The Q6 e-tron is an all-new model that's expected to begin production in 2024 as a 2025 model. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2025 Audi Q6 e-tron is expected to start at around $66,000 and range up to $81,000, depending on the trim and options. The car follows Audi's standard trim level structure, offering Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige versions with varying levels of luxury. Further details on the Q6 e-tron's price and features will be provided as they become available. EV motor, power, and performance. The Q6 e-tron models currently feature a dual-motor electric powertrain, providing all-wheel drive and 456 horsepower. A rear-wheel drive model with one electric motor is expected. A dual-motor prototype with air spring suspension offers a calm ride. The performance-minded Q6 e-tron offers 510 horsepower and a sportier suspension tune, appealing to enthusiast drivers. Further updates will be provided when a refined production model is tested. 0 to 60 miles per hour times. While we haven't tested this claim yet, Audi predicts the Q6 e-tron can hit 60 miles per hour in just 5.0 seconds. When we get a chance to drive the Q6 e-tron on our home turf, we'll update this story with test results and more driving impressions. Range, charging, and battery life. The Q6 e-tron, powered by an 800-volt architecture and a 94.4 kilowatt-hour battery, can charge from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes on a DC fast charging connection. The most efficient model is expected to reach 300 miles per charge. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't weighed in on the Q6 e-tron's fuel economy estimates yet, and we haven't had a chance to take it on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route. When we do, we'll update this story with real-world test results. For more information about the Q6 e-tron's fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo. The Audi Q6 e-tron SUV features a contemporary cabin with display screens and convenience features, but may be overwhelming for some users. The interior is made from attractive materials, some of which are sustainable. The Q6 e-tron is similar in size to the gas-powered Q5 SUV but has a 3-inch longer wheelbase, providing a more spacious passenger compartment. Cargo space behind the second row isn't as generous as in other EV SUVs, but the Audi offers a small, frunk, storage compartment under the hood. Infotainment and connectivity. The Q6 e-tron dashboard features a wall of screens, including a curved gauge display and infotainment touchscreen. An optional 10.9-inch touchscreen is available for passengers, allowing access to the infotainment system and streaming video content. The new Android-based interface is easy to adapt to, despite lacking physical buttons. Other features include a head-up display, augmented reality navigation, and an 830-watt Bang & Olufsen stereo system. The vehicle's test drive revealed its adaptability. Safety and driver assistance features. Audi provides standard driver assistance features like automated emergency braking and a driver drowsiness monitor, with options like adaptive cruise control and lane centering. For crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning, available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. The Audi Q6 e-tron and Q6 e-tron Sportback will offer the same limited and powertrain warranty as the Q8 e-tron SUV. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Electric components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.